Hey friends, this is Wendy Cannin. Thank you so much for joining me. The video you are about to watch was pre-recorded in my Facebook VI Planners group. If you would like more information on my VI Planners group or you would like to become a member, go ahead and check the comments. The link is there and come and join us for all kinds of fun. Okay, so the Girly Stuff insert is the one that is featured is only going to be available until next Thursday, which is the 16th of February. So I want to talk about this particular insert and how it's different than the original one that was designed and how you can use it. So I actually put together, so you guys can kind of see, I decorated in it with some of the pretty colors. So what the features are of the insert is it has a quote bubble, has a place for you to write what you're reading. This is a how full am I, and you can track whatever you want in here. I'm going to show you how you can track water intake in here. It gives you a personal habit tracker for self-care and then a place for journaling. Okay. Now, how does that different from the one that you get right now is it still has the quote bubble. It still has a place for reading. Instead of the perfume bottles, it's got the cups. There's still the place down here for you to be able to do the habit tracking. But on the opposite side, the journaling is broken up into, 7 sections. Okay, it's broken up into 7 sections. So what I've done in the past with this insert is you can use it like a weekly. So you can use this to track whatever it is that you're tracking for your self-care. You can still use this to track how full am I or your water intake. You can also use this for how are you feeling mentally, how are you feeling physically. Maybe you're tracking finances, whatever the case may be, you can track that. There's still the quote bubble, still a place for you to read, but on the opposite side, instead of doing journaling in it, you can actually use it like a weekly. So you can utilize it in both ways. The self-care insert that I shared here, it says self-care is not self-indulgence, it's self-preservation. Okay, beautiful quote for you to be able to remember. I was reading Let the Great World Turn. I've already finished, or Let the Great World Spin. I finished that book, so I'm on to a different one. And then I use this for water intake. So down here on the bottom, it has a place for you to write whatever it is that you're writing. I just wrote the days of the week here so that I could utilize this particular one to show how I did with drinking my water throughout the week. And then down here at the bottom, what am I doing this week for me? And I put reading, lunch with friends, take a walk, bubble bath, or dinner out. I am a bubble bath fanatic. I love bubble baths. It happens to be one of my favorite ways to break down the day. And then on this side, I just did a quick journaling. So January 30th, walked around the neighborhood, watched a squirrel gathering for her family, which is something really quick and easy to do. I needed a bubble bath to unwind today. Lunch out with Sally, good to catch up with her and chat about our families. Finished a great book today. It really took me into the world of New York in the 1970s. That is this book. Longer walk today. Muscles are pretty sore. Bubble bath for the win. Agreed. And then declared a no cooking day. Lunch with friends and dinner out with the family. Great food. And then walked off those yummy calories I enjoyed from yesterday. So this is really just a quick way for you to be able to utilize this insert in both ways. And again, this is the Girly Stuff insert. It's only available until next Thursday. And then the self-care insert, you can grab at any time.